Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Astro Codex. So today's topic is operators in C++. There are different types of operators in C++. These are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, bitwise operators, and more operators. So the first type of operators are arithmetic operators. These are arithmetical operations that we use in mathematics also. That is a plus b, a minus b, a multiplication b, a divided by b. So I will run it and explain it after that. See, a plus b, that is addition in mathematics, 30, a minus b subtraction, a multiplication b 10 into 20, 200, and a by b is 0. It's 0 because we initialize a and b to integers. If we initialize them to float, then it will give output to decimals. So there are some other arithmetic operators also, that is modulo operator. Modulo operator that we write as percentage a modulo b. It will give the remainder if we divide a by b. So we know that 10 by 20 is not possible, so we use decimals, but in modulo it will calculate remainder only before decimal. So we know that 10 by 20 is 0 point something, so it's 20 times 0 is 0, 10 minus 0 is 10, so a modulo b should be 10. See, 10. If I use b modulo a, and for more understanding I use 21, so we know that 10 into 2 is 20, 21 minus 20 is what? See, the output is 1. There is another operators also, that is increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement. So what are these? So if I output a plus plus and after that I use cout a, you see that a plus plus, there is no effect on output, because in a plus plus if I output this, then it will output a first and then after that it will increment a by 1. So you can see that after this step it is 11. But what if we want to increment a by 1 in this step only? Then we can use pre-increment, that is plus plus a. So it will output 11 here and 11 here also. The another is decrement operator, which is same as increment operator. In decrement we use minus minus and it will decrement a by 1, so the output should be 9. See, the another operators are assignment operators. Assignment operators. If I do something like that, a plus equal to 1, and after that I will output a, then it will give output 11. See, similarly I can use a minus equal to 1, it will output 9. See, the another operators are assignment operators. There is another a equal to 1, then it will it will give 1 to a and this instance is over, so the output is 1. See, these are assignment operators. The another operators are the relational operators. Relational operators. Let's remove this line. So if I write C out A equal to 10, then some error happens. Sorry guys, it has no use in it. It is used in relational structure, that is if else statement, if else if statement. So for example, if A equal to 10, then please output A is 10. So it will output, because we know that A is 10. So what if I change A to 11? Then you can see that nothing happens, because it will not go in if statement. So the another is, it is equal to operator, another is not equal to. If A not equal to 10, then it will output A is 10. See, the another is greater than and less than operator. If A is greater than 2, then output A is 10. See, A is 10. If I use A is greater than 11, see, nothing happens. If I use A greater than equal to 11, we know that A is equal to 11. See, the output is A is 10. It is greater than equal to, greater, another is less than equal to, these type of operators. Another is logical operators. Logical operators. These have use in if else, for loop and while loop type conditions. So if A is less than equal to 11 and B not equal to 21, then output A is 10. You know that nothing has output because B is equal to 21. If I use B is equal to 20, it's called logical AND operator. Another is OR operator. Logical OR operator. If A is less than equal to 11 or B is equal to 21, output A is 10. In logical OR, if any of the statement is true, then it will go to the if statement and output the result. Another is logical NOT. If not of A, then C out A is 10. I will explain it. So what is this not of A? Not of A means if A is any positive integer, it will convert it into 0, and 0 means the statement is not true and it will not go into if statement. If not of A. And if I use if of A, if it will output any, if I input any positive number, it will go to the if statement and give the output. See, A is 10. Some other operators are bitwise operators. I will explain bitwise operators in next part of the video. Thank you for watching, guys.